Thinking about starting your own trucking company? 2025 is your year. This guide provides the essential roadmap to get started. First, create a business plan and register your company as an LLC to protect personal assets. Obtain a free EIN from the IRS for tax purposes, then open a dedicated business bank account. Next, secure your operating authority by applying for SDOT and NC numbers from the FMCSA. Ensure you have the minimum required insurance coverage to protect against industry risks and liabilities. Comply with AAWTA for fuel tax reporting and implement an ELD for logging drivers' hours of service. Once set up, use load boards like DT or TruckStop to find initial loads and build relationships with brokers. These platforms connect carriers with shippers, ensuring consistent work. Ready to take action? Start your business plan today. Embark on your trucking journey with confidence and strategic planning. Your success in 2025 awaits.